Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to remove Safari cookies, cache, and other website data on your Mac. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right to it. First, you need to open your Safari web browser. Once you've got Safari open, look to the top left-hand corner of your screen and click on the Safari tab. In the drop-down menu, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the Settings panel for your Safari browser. Now, in the Settings menu, find and click on the Privacy tab. This is where the magic happens. Next, you'll see a button that says, Manage Website Data. Click on that. This will give you a list of all the websites you visited, along with the data Safari is storing from each of them. Now, you have two options. If you want to delete website data from specific websites, just click on the website in the list and then click the Remove button. However, if you want to remove all of the website data, just go ahead and click on the Remove All button. Once you've made your choice, you'll be prompted to confirm. Click Remove Now, and boom! All of your cookies, cache, and other website data will be gone. Just bear in mind, once you do this, it's permanent and unrecoverable, so make sure you're okay with deleting everything before you proceed. And that's it. That's how you clear Safari cookies and cache on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.